I want to introduce you my products today, and the first product is Before Blow Dry Hairspray. And as you can see, it's more easy to brush it. You will get this beautiful and clean hair and shiny. Next product is liquid hairspray. It has also a lot of silicone and it holds very well. It's very dry. It doesn't make this wet texture also. I'm gonna use this product all around. Then I'm gonna put one bobby pin and one rubber band very close to the roots. As you can see, it's very clean and nice. Next product is powder. If you have this kind of natural and silky hair, so this product is perfect for you. This is the way how I'm applying this product on the roots. I'm gonna take one by one and apply 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And also I'm gonna spray this product on the roots like so. So we're gonna take like ½ inch, 1 or 2 centimeters. We're gonna back comb till the roots, 1, 2, 3. And then again, I'm gonna use my hairspray only to the roots, 1, 2. That's all. And as you can see, it holds very well. And the last hair, we're gonna brush it a little bit more. It's gonna be more clean because it's gonna be on the top. And we're gonna open it, white and nice. And the roots, it holds very well. And we're gonna start working with the bang area. I'm gonna open it a little bit. As you can see, it's transparent. And we're gonna hairspray from far away, little by little. It gets dry very fast and it holds very well. You don't have to hairspray too much at once. We're gonna wrap this hair to this stick and I'm just putting the point where I want to have it. And I'm gonna wrap it like this and then I'm gonna open it, as you can see. I have another stick which is gonna help me to support these liners. And we're gonna create little liners, 1, 2, and hairspray. So we hairspray only the roots, and each line I'm gonna separate it like so. Also, we're gonna open it and we're gonna wrap it like this. Then we can take the liquid hairspray and then we can use it. It's gonna make the hair more natural look. You know, everybody asking me how I'm reaching this clean and nice hair, because we need to use different products, for example, powder, hairspray, liquid hairspray, and preparation hair. Of course, we need to have very good quality hair, then it's going to be more easy for you to work and create any lines. To create this hairstyle, I was using these 4 different products from SHAMURATOV line, and I'm so happy to introduce you.